Hello neighbors, it's Brad here at eTrailer, and today I'm with Catherine from BulletProof Hitches, and we got a few of your products here set up. Let's go through them. What all do you have?
All right, so starting here, we've got our medium duty hitch and a 2-inch shank. This is a 2-inch drop. It is rated for up to 14,000 pounds. It comes standard with a dual ball that has a 2-inch ball on one side and a 2 5/16 ball on the other side.
How much of a drop is that?
So this is considered our 2-inch drop. It has an overall length of 8 inches, but we call it a 2-inch drop because it offers 2 inches of adjustability within the channel of the hitch. And also, the one great thing about all of our products is they can be used in the drop or the rise position without reducing any of the towing weight capacity or the tongue weight capacity. This here is our heavy duty hitch. This specific one is on a 2.5-inch receiver, and this is a 6-inch drop. This is rated for up to 22,000 pounds and up to 3,000 pounds of tongue weight. Does come standard with the 2 5/16 and the 2-inch ball. It does span over 3 holes on the pins on the heavy duty hitch, and it does have a 1/2-inch thick steel gusset. And the hitch, shank of the hitch is a full solid steel shank that extends 3 inches past the second pinhole to completely fill the receiver tube. This one is our extreme duty hitch. We are showing it here on the 3-inch shank. Our extreme duty models are available in 2, 2.5, or 3 inches. On the 2-inch shank, it's rated for up to 30,000 pounds of towing weight. And on the 2.5 and the 3, it's rated for up to 36,000 pounds. And all 3 shank sizes are up to 6,000 pounds of tongue weight.
Wow, super heavy duty. What's this coming in weight-wise?
So on this one's about 50 pounds. Our heaviest hitch is a 3-inch shank, 12-inch drop, and it's over 100 pounds.
I believe that, but
yes.
Capacities match up
Absolutely.
With that heavy weight.
Exactly. And the other thing to note about our extreme duty hitches, once you get into an 8-inch and drop or more, you're going to start to see an additional down bar behind the gusset, between this channel and the gusset. So that's just to help reinforce that weight, especially as you start to get into those large drops.
So obviously for heavy loads, it's a heavy duty hitch, but also if I just tow randomly here and there and I don't have the ball mount on the back of my vehicle and I want to stow it, you also have an option that's not as heavy.
Correct. So this is our aluminum line. These are rated for up to 14,000 pounds and up to 2,000 pounds of tongue weight. They are available in a 2-inch shank and a 2.5-inch shank. So these come with a 2 5/16 and a 2-inch ball. It is adjustable in 1-inch increments. The drop sizes available are a 2, a 4, and a 6-inch drop. On the 6-inch alone, you can take the dual ball and rotate it and stow it behind the channel, but only on the 6-inch on this. Okay. And again, the same as our steel line, this can be used in the drop or the rise position and still maintain that same high weight capacity.
So we've covered 2 of the main sizes of balls, the 2-inch and 2 5/16.
Correct.
Do you offer 1 7/8?
We do. We offer that as a single ball attachment. We know it's not something that everybody needs or everybody uses. So we did the research, and what most people are using is a 2 and 2 5/16. So that's what we offer as our standard dual ball. The 1 7/8 single ball attachment is available and will work with any medium, heavy, or extreme duty hitch.
Love it. These are actually bulletproof, correct?
Yes, sir, they are. So for a long time, we would always get that question. I think we received over 15,000 comments or something crazy like that of people saying, well, is it really bulletproof? Have you shot it? Yes. The truth is we have shot it. It is actually bulletproof. The video is up on YouTube. You can check it out. We did several different types of ammo. And the reason we've always said, that it's bulletproof and what we try to explain to neighbors is it is the thickness of a bulletproof vest. So that's where the name came from. Yeah. But it is actually bulletproof.
In addition to their ball mounts, BulletProof has an extensive line of accessories for their mounts that you can find here at eTrailer. Well, huge thanks for showing us your whole lineup. Why should someone go with BulletProof Hitch?
So BulletProof, we designed it to be the last hitch you would ever need. And we say that not only due to the construction, but all of the different attachments that we offer. We're really dedicated to delivering the best possible product to each and every one of the neighbors who chooses us. And we want to make sure that it's a line that's going to keep them towing day in and day out. We're backed by a full lifetime no-hassle warranty. We've never had a recall. We've never had a failure. So really, it's a brand that you can put your trust behind.
Love it. Well, huge thanks to Catherine from BulletProof Hitches for taking the time to show us your guys' lineup.
Thank you.
Thank you.